everybody and welcome back. But today's recipe is going to be something really delicious. It's going to be pork chops in a mushroom and garlic gravy. It even sounds good, doesn't it? Anyway, here's hoping you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. You'll see all my future videos and all the old ones from the past. I'm sure there's going to be a recipe in there that you would love. So without further ado, let's crack on. First we take two lovely bone-in pork chops. Of course, if you don't want bone-in, you don't have to, but I prefer those. I think they have a little more flavour. Then we're going to salt and pepper these, a lovely bit of seasoning. We'll sprinkle that on. This is just the sea salt. And then after that we can go on with some lovely freshly cracked black pepper. I do love this stuff. A little bit more on this one. And then of course we're going to flip these over and do exactly the same on the other side. Now in a pan on the hob, I'm going to add a hefty lump of butter and let this melt down a little bit. Then I'm going to add some cooking oil just to stop the butter from burning, which it would do if you use butter on its own. Then we can go in with our pork chops. There's one, there's the other one. Brown them on that side, then flip them over and brown them on the other side. I love to get a little bit of caramelisation. It gives these pork chops so much more flavour. And look, all that flavour in the bottom of the pan. Lovely. We can chop up an onion, finely chop it like this, and then we're going to pop this into those lovely juices. Mix these around a bit, and we're going to let these soften down. Just for about, I'd say, 2 minutes. That would be fine. Just so they're nice and soft, perhaps a little bit on the brown side. Then we're going to chop up the garlic. Well, not a garlic. I've used 3 garlic cloves here because I do like my garlic. In they go. After all, it wouldn't be mushroom and garlic gravy without the garlic, would it? We're going to cook this down for about a minute, not too much, we don't want that to burn. Then we go with our mushrooms. I've used mushrooms out of a tin. You can use fresh if you want, but I'm afraid that's all I had in my cupboard. In they go. To this I'm going to add a half a pint of a good beef stock. You can use chicken stock if you want, or even vegetable stock. Anything that's going to give it a really delicious flavour. Now we're going to cook this down for a while and then place our pork chops back into this lovely gravy that we've got on the go here. Give them a little bit of a covering over with the delicious juices. And of course we're going to let them cook right the way through. And then we end up with this. I do love pork chops, don't you guys? Especially when they're served up like this. Creamy mashed potato and lovely broad beans and a little bit of a sprinkling of parsley over the top. Doesn't that look good? Really mouth-watering. Do you know what? My mouth's watering so much I think it's about time for a taste test, don't you? Oh, give me that knife and fork quickly. Take this lovely little meaty piece from here, bit of the mushroom gravy, some creamy mashed potato, and off we go. Oh, amazing. So tender, so flavoursome, so delicious. That gravy actually makes a whole meal worthwhile. It's perfect. Please try this recipe for yourself. Sure you'll enjoy it. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now.